everyone, I'm Johanna and I'd love to be your guide through the vast world of Atlassian Spaces.
Today we're going to start with the foundation, which is creating a Jira Space, or what used to be called a Jira project. Before we get started, depending on your permissions, you might not be able to create a Jira Space. In case you still need to, you might want to loop in your admin. Let's get started. Step 1 is to go to the navigation and click on the plus next to Spaces. After, the first thing Jira asks you to do is to go ahead and pick a template, which is kind of your starting point for how your space is structured. There are a variety of templates to choose from. Which one you choose entirely depends on the team that you work in. You've pretty much got templates for every team, from developers to accountants. And if you are a project manager, I'd recommend keeping it simple, either using the standard Kanban template or the project management template from the work management category. Once you've selected the template, you'll need to define a few key things. The first step is to name your space. It can usually be something very simple, like your project, team, or the client name.
The second step is to choose the management type. For Jira newbies, I'm going to keep it brief. There are team-managed and company-managed spaces. For larger organizations, company-managed spaces are usually recommended because they follow the global workflows, rules, and guidelines. So everything kind of stays consistent and your admin gets less headaches managing all of those spaces. Because while team-managed projects allow for more autonomy within the space, you don't want to have too many of these filling up your instance. Again, it all kind of depends on your company.
The third step is to set up a key, which is a short code that Jira uses internally. And it's usually best to keep this simple, like MKT for marketing or OPS for operations, for example. Once you've finished that, you can click create and your space is ready. Next, you can start inviting people from your team. And if you're on a standard plan or above, you can even set space roles for the people that you are inviting. This ensures that only the right people have access from the start. And that's it. Your Jira Space is set up. From here, you can start adding tasks, assigning work, and tracking progress. And there you have it. A Jira Space ready to manage your projects as efficiently as possible.
If this video was helpful for you, we'd be happy if you gave it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Jira tips that will follow. And if you want, let us know down in the comments what kind of spaces you're using. Anyways, thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!